Okay, so this is where they're cutting Tanzanite. So just chip some pieces. So that's the preforms, what they look like. So basically you just have a flat table without crown facets and a pavilion without pavilion facets, but they put a Q-lid on there. All the same grade, and then we're sorting it the size by mm size.
Yeah.
So these are what they look like polished. So preforming on the wheel, and then how fast does the wheel spin? Do you know? The wheel, do you know how fast it is? The RPM?
Maybe it will be 800.
Yeah, slow.
800,
Slow, yeah.
It's quite slow. So you want to save the bed.
Yeah. And then like a 220 grit?
600.
600 for the preforming.
Easy to polish.
Yeah, it's tiny. Yeah. And then it, yeah, safe steps. Okay. So who puts it on the dot sticks? You will?
The helper.
Yeah. And the dot sticks are steel nails. Nails.
You can say from the bike wheel.
Oh, spokes from spokes from a bike wheel. Yeah. Okay. And then you use dock wax or glue? Super glue.
Super glue.
Super glue for these. Yeah.
Indian variety, but it's not fine.
Yeah. So then once they're trued and shaped, yeah, super good. So then who polishes it?
The polisher is different.
Factory?
The jam pack.
Oh, okay. So what's his margin that he has to get it to? Like he's doing a round. Is it like 0.2 millimeter? Like what's his tolerance?
The margin of
margin of error. 0.2. Yeah. How many pieces can they do in a day? Like preforming and everything? Preforming and trued?
The piece के हिसाब से या weight के हिसाब से. They calculate by the weight.
Yeah.
700, 600, 700.
Carrots?
No, pieces.
Pieces?
In a day.
Okay. And with 3 people? 3, 4?
1 people.
1 person?
Yeah. But they work hard. Long time.
Yeah, sounds like it's 700.
13 hours they spend here. When they will finish all the perform, they have to check each and every piece. Which is the inclusion, they will keep it side and they have to repair that again.
Oh.
This is that easy. Otherwise it will be rejected. So this is no matter. It's easy to repair and they can accept it.
So 13 hours every day. Do they work every day of the week? Or
Yeah. No. One maybe Friday or Sunday will be off.
Okay. And then how many years have they done this? Like 10 years? 20?
कितने साल से कर रहा हूँ पॉलिश? Since 23 years.
23 years?
Different now he is doing Tanzanite. Because in starting he done many kind of maybe tourmaline, aquamarine and something.
Yeah.
Like emerald too.
Yeah.
In this Tanzanite field he is since 6-7 साल से होगा ना Tanzanite में. So he is doing it since starting the Tanzanite.
Always Tanzanite for him? Wow.
Tanzanite. You can say he's a specialist.
Yeah. So, can I ask, like, what's the biggest, most expensive stone he's got for Tanzanite?
कितना बड़ा तक बनाया? कितना बड़ा Tanzanite तक बनाया? बड़ा से बड़ा. Only 6 by 8, maybe 3 carat.
But clean? Clean though? Yeah.
Clean. Because of here is only less size, maybe 2 pieces in a carat. 1 pointer, 2 pointer.
Yeah.
Not high grade.
Yeah. So he's saying they're about half a carat each stone, give or take, that they cut here. So when I asked like the high quality ones, they don't really do those. They're doing mealy and quantity of the small accent stones.